Super Rich Repair is intensely nourishing and perfect if you have concerns about skin aging and experience chronic dryness on the skin. I describe Super Rich Repair like a heavy weighted blanket. It keeps you feeling secure and protected on those cold winter nights. Your dry skin is going to love the way this feels and the benefits it brings your skin. It repairs and protects against the signs of aging using peptides to stimulate collagen production and increase skin firmness. Dry skin can also experience sensitivity, so oatmeal and shea butter help prevent irritating environmental pollutants from entering the skin. This helps repair and reduce the skin inflammation that accelerates your skin aging. After cleansing and toning your skin, apply your targeted serum. Then dispense 1 pump of the Super Rich Repair and apply this to your face and neck area. Be sure to use an SPF product during the day to protect your skin from the skin aging UV rays. If you would like to know more about the Super Rich Repair, click on the link below. And if you need any advice as to which Dermalogica moisturiser is right for you, please visit our website and click on advice.